Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I'm going to show you how I made this very inexpensive 4th of July wreath using table covers from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned and see how I do.
So when you take your tablecloth out of the package, you'll see that the printed part, the part that we want to use, is wrong sides together. And the simplest way to do this is just take it, don't unfold it yet. Just take your scissors and we're going to cut this white section off the top. Okay, and then we're going to unfold this. And just so it doesn't get messy, once I get that white piece separated, I kind of fold this back on itself so I don't have it just strung out everywhere. Yeah. And that's Mama you hear in the background. She's supervising. Now, don't discard this white part because we're going to use it. Okay, once you have your edges all cut off, then we're going to take our little tablecloth, our little strip, and this is just the edge piece off both sides that has the stars and stripes on it, and we're going to fold it in half. So we have, it's okay, Butt Pups, it's okay. The neighbors are blowing the horn and the puppies are going crazy. But anyway, so we're going to cut, and it doesn't have to be exact, y'all. So we have one side that is predominantly red and white, and one side that is stars. So we're going to make 2 stacks. We're going to do that for all 3 of our tablecloths. Now we're going to take the white section and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to fold it in half and cut it just like we did the blue and white one, right down the center. Okay, now on one edge where the folds are, where it's folded, we're going to just go ahead and snip those off. You might have to come in about 1 inch. And I know that makes one smaller than the other, but it doesn't really matter on the white part. This is just kind of like filler. But anyway, we're going to get all those folds off. Okay, we're going to start with our red and white stripe section. And the first thing you're going to need to do is separate your strips because they are wrong sides together. We need to separate them and put them so they're both facing the same way. So, we want printed side, like that. Okay, so it'll be printed side, printed side. And this really is the thing that takes the longest to do on the whole wreath, is to get these together. And you want to do that with all three stacks. And you can stack them all together once you get them separated. So so when you get through, you should have 6 layers of the stripes, all facing the same direction. Then we're going to take 6 layers of our white. That's 2. White and 6 layers of the printed. And I'm just going to use a couple of these little chip clips. I'm going to measure 17 inches. If you divide 108 by 6, which we have 6 sections on the wreath, it comes out to 18, but I don't want to come up with one really short, so we're going to do 17, which would be right here. And I'm just going to clip these sections, measure again, get my 17, which will be right here, and we're just going to cut. Okay, so we have that one ready. We're going to do that 5 more times, and then we're going to start our wreath. Okay, so we have 6 layers of the printed and 6 of the white. We're going to take it and fold right sides together. And then we're going to do the outside. That's Mama burping. She drinks too much cola. But anyway, we're going to take it and we're going to put it, let me see, yeah, right here on the, here's the first rung. We're going to do the second rung. And all we're going to do is take one corner, pull it up, hold it together, and then we're just going to feed through the rest of it till we get the whole section in there. And then we'll do that all the way around on this first outside rung with the striped. Okay, and you just want to kind of make sure it's evened up. All I do is kind of even, make sure like that, and there you go. And if you have any scraggles where you trimmed, you can just go ahead and trim those off now, or you can do them at the end, whichever way you prefer. But anyway, so we got that one section done. You want to make sure you have your stripes and your white even. So we got that in there. So now we're going to go to do it all the way around. Okay, so we've got all our stripes done, and now we're going to do our stars. And it's the same way. We're going to just separate the stars and put them in order. I'm going to clip it, measure 17 inches, and do 6 more sections. Okay, so we have our stars all cut and layered, and we're going to take it and fold it in half and feed it through this middle rung, just like we did the stripes. And we're going to do that all the way around in each section. Okay, when you go to fluff out your wreath, what you're going to do is you're going to do the inside section first. You're going to do the inside, the 6 layers of white. We're going to fluff those out. Okay, and you're going to push those to the inside. When you get those done, then you're going to do your stripes and kind of pull those to the inside. Okay, so then you get to your next row of stripes. Then you're going to only fluff the printed ones. Don't fluff the white part. So we're going to do our 6 layers of stars. Okay, and when you get to the white layer, right here, we're just going to skip that, and we're going to go down here to where our bottom layer of stripes are, and we're going to pull those out gently so that they stick out a little bit past, I guess leave about 1/3. Yeah, so if you'll see right here, I don't have it even anymore. I've kind of pulled it out. I'll measure it so y'all know exactly. Let's see. Because this is about 6 inches wide, so I'm going to leave about 1.5 inches
on this side and the 4.5, I mean the rest of it on this side. I'm not good at math. But anyway, you're going to do that, and you're going to do that all the way around. That way you have your stripes will be showing like we have right here. See? But anyway, that's what we're going to do all the way around the wreath. And if you have any strings, just cut them off. Now I'm going to speed up the rest of this video till we get through. I have this Proud to Be an American, which we could put right in the center. I think that looks good. Or we could take the heart off and put it to the side, which I like that too. I think that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll decide about a bow. I think it's kind of busy enough that it's not going to need a bow, but we'll put on here and we'll see what we got. Okay, I've tried a couple of different things on here, and the consensus at my house is that no bow and no glitter heart, that we'll just put this little heart on the side right here. So all I've done is put a pipe cleaner through here, and then I'm going to find one of the sections where it splits, and I'm just going to attach it with the
Okay, that's it.
That is my 4th of July wreath. I'm going to go hang it on my door now. I think it turned out really good. Let me know in the comments below, would you have put the bow on there? I don't really think a bow would go. I don't know. But, yeah, like that. There we go. I think that's just right. But anyway, remember, Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and make a very inexpensive wreath. You don't have to spend $20 at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or wherever. Wreath form was $1, 3 tablecloths, $3, heart sign, $5 4th of July wreath. Y'all have a great day. Bye.